how to make over $60,000 in the salon in just haircuts alone.
Oh yeah? So what if I dropped out of college to go to beauty school? I get to transform lives every day.
What's up and welcome back! I did a video on TikTok the other day where it was like a 15-second breakdown, and I figured why not just come on YouTube and put it up here. I'm not a huge fan when it comes to talking about money, but I understand in today's world there are several of you that are money motivated. And if money motivates you to increase your clientele, increase your platform artistry, right? We live in a world with social media platforms. So if you're a health or beauty professional, anybody that loves talking and making people feel better about themselves, understand that if you want to be a platform artist, why don't you pick up this phone? I'm filming this video on my iPhone, and we're going to do a quick breakdown about what $60,000 worth of haircuts would look like behind the chair, talking to my solopreneur, my entrepreneurs that are possibly working commission and hourly, but maybe you're looking to work for yourself. So and again, this equation doesn't just pertain to my hairstylists and my makeup artists and my beauty professionals. This is just a breakdown of how to obtain $60,000. We are looking at a $45 a haircut ticket average. I don't know what you guys charge for a haircut. I don't know what you guys pay to get your haircut, but I'm just talking about a salon experience at the ticket average of about $45. And we're gonna say that our client tips us an average of $5 per haircut. Let's say that our ticket average for a haircut is $50 essentially. 5 haircuts a day, 5 hours, let's say, that includes the blow dry, right? So $50, so 5 haircuts a day. That would give us $250 a day, right? In haircuts. And for some of us, it doesn't take us an hour for a haircut and a blow dry, things like that. So if we're working 5 days a week, that's $1,250 a week behind the chair in just haircuts. Maybe this year you just want to be a haircut specialist and just build your clientele on haircuts, and then maybe next year, especially if you're in the beginning and you want to kind of niche down on your artistry. Before in the past, I really wasn't open to things like that, but now moving forward, I'm all about if you want to become an expert or strive for excellence in your field and broaden your knowledge that way, by all means, do what you need to do. Okay, so $1,250 a week, 4 weeks in a month, that's $5,000 a month in haircuts essentially, right? So 5 haircuts a day, 5 days a week, $5,000 a month. 12 months in a year, that's our $60,000. And that's not even including if we're enhancing a service with product take home, just based off of a $45 haircut, $5 tip average, and 5 days a week, 5 times a day. And maybe you're at that point where you're like, well, I can't obtain, but I need to start, obtaining more clients, and I've been booking out time blocks for color and cuts, and I can't manage to. Like I said, if you need to take a step back, and maybe only Monday, Tuesdays you do only haircuts. Thursdays and Fridays, save for your color projects, 1 or 2. Fill the gaps, right? In my next video, I'm gonna do a breakdown of how to make over $240,000 in the salon behind the chair, right? Or maybe not even that. We're gonna do a breakdown of what $200 of a ticket average could possibly do for you. So make sure for the best fitness, weight loss, mindset, beauty, and everything in between, click the like button, hit the subscribe, click the bell, and thank you for hanging out.